Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to our channel, Buy Smart.
Today we have an epic showdown between two top-notch dash cams. On the left, we have the RedTiger dash cam, and on the right, the 70mm dash cam M300. It's time to buckle up and find out which one deserves a spot in your car. Let the battle begin.
When it comes to capturing those crucial moments on the road, video quality is everything.
The RedTiger dash cam boasts an impressive 4K plus 1080p dual recording, delivering crystal clear footage with all the details you need. It's like having a personal videographer in your car. But wait, the 70mm dash cam M300 isn't backing down either. With its 1296p QHD resolution, this little beast captures almost 1.5 times more detail than your standard 1080p dash cam.
Say goodbye to blurry license plates and hello to high-definition evidence. Picture this. You're driving down a dark road, and suddenly, something happens.
You need a dash cam that can handle low light conditions like a pro. The RedTiger dash cam features superior night vision, thanks to its excellent optical lens and HDR's WDR technology. It's like having night vision goggles for your car. Now, the 70mm dash cam M300 isn't one to shy away from the dark either. With its 3D noise reduction and WDR technology, this cam ensures that even in the darkest tunnels or under undesirable lighting, you'll still get clear and smooth footage.
No more missing out on important moments.
Let's talk tech, shall we? The RedTiger dash cam comes equipped with Wi-Fi and a smart app control. Simply connect it to your smartphone and voila!
You can view, playback, and manage your dash cam right from your iOS or Android device. Plus, you can easily download and edit videos in the app. It's like having a personal video editing studio in your pocket. But hold on, the 70mm dash cam M300 has a few tricks up its sleeve too. It offers parking monitoring with a built-in G sensor.
That means even when you're away, this cam will detect any sudden shakes or collisions and start recording automatically. Now that's what I call 24-hour surveillance. Just make sure you grab the 70mm hardwire kit for this feature. We're not done yet, folks. Both dash cams come with some extra goodies to sweeten the deal.
The RedTiger dash cam has a built-in GPS, allowing you to track your driving route, real-time speed, and location. It's like having your own personal navigator right there on your dash.
Meanwhile, the 70mm dash cam M300 offers time-lapse recording.
By compressing hours of footage into minutes, you can quickly catch crucial events without wasting your precious time. Plus, the loop recording feature ensures that your latest videos are always saved, so you won't miss a thing.
Both the RedTiger dash cam and the 70mm dash cam M300 have their own unique features and strengths. It's up to you to decide which one suits your needs and budget. Remember, always make smart buying decisions and do your research before making any purchase. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. Until next time, stay smart and drive safe.